Menteri rong ba jong kajela meglea o Conrad ke sangma ha kajine jong Mairang hinin kesengi ka nyotari ubenai nai wing ulayo ban Plie ba ya ka computer lab jong Mairang Presbyterian Science College ka badiru ka college tang na ka benda ki samla ki populi yak science stream ba ya ka tega lab layo lemba ka Chief Minister's Special Development Fund ka bakot ndre po nyop lak tingam ha ka ni kesengi la sakhilang ya ka jing Plie jong ka tega computer lab daw MDC ka Mairang nong klau uba bat scam rin tathiang nangta UMLA ka Longston uba Macmillan Besat u Deputy Commissioner ka Eastern West Khas Hills uba Wilfred nong sit ki officer na trekam prepare lembat ki wei ki basyakot sumham ukonat sangma habakran hak teges ni ulapan paw ya kajing sohun ke jong ba unon man Plie ya kani ka computer lab watla ka long ka barit Henry ka long ka badan jimut bham.
There are different organizations, different individuals, different departments. Some do okay work, some do better, and some do really great work. And I must say that among the schemes that I have given, this must be one of the most satisfying ones that I have seen, not just because of the kind of work that is being done, but the kind of quality and the utility of the funds that have been given has been done to the maximum. So it gives me so much of satisfaction when I see the commitment with which the college is working and the principal and the governing body is working to ensure that whatever funds come in are utilized in the best possible manner. And I think that speaks about the functioning of the college itself. And so it really gives me a lot of satisfaction and a lot of pleasure to be here today to inaugurate this small computer lab, but a very, very meaningful one.